Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Ocean theme on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Instagram and you need to update your Instagram application first. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and you need to open Instagram and then you simply need to click on the messenger icon on the top right. From here you need to select any conversation and click on the person name on the top. From here you need to click on theme and now you need to find the ocean theme. For that you need to scroll down. So here is ocean theme, so you simply need to select that, wait for few seconds, and now you can see that ocean theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.